name is YISRAEL Jacob Holt. I go to Altaloma High School. I'm actually in 10th grade right now, and I'm a sophomore. And right now I'm taking an R.O.P class called Intro to Animation. Of course I want to be an animator. That's why I'm in this class in the first place. And what I really want to be is a YouTuber. Like, I see all the time these great videos, these funny videos of people making these great animations on the internet, and like, man, I want to do that. So, I want to be an animator, a YouTuber, of course. It doesn't have to be animation. It could be all sorts of things. There's R.O.P classes for pretty much anything right now. And if you are really dedicated into doing something like art, like I don't know, medical stuff, engineering, there's classes for that. And if you take those, you're going to learn a lot more, like I'm doing in my class. You're going to learn a lot more, you're going to meet some new people, you're going to like those new people, and you're just going to have a good time learning.